Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can also email me. I have an email account on Gmail and my Gmail ID is abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. So I will spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE 1906@gmail.com, okay? So this is my email ID friends, okay? And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification friends, okay? So friends, in our last video I've covered the topic called necessity of a working basis. This topic I've covered friends, okay? And friends, in our today's video I'm going to cover the topic called the duality of mind. This topic friends, okay? Friends, this is 6th number video and the topic is the duality of the mind. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? You have only one mind, but your mind processes two distinctive characteristics. This is a very important statement friends, okay? So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that you have only one mind, but your mind processes two distinctive characteristics, okay? The line demarcation between the two is well known to all thinking men and women today. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling the line of demarcation between the two is well known to all the men and women today. So it means all the men and women today know the what is the differentiation between our two minds. The two functionality of your mind are essentially unlike. So the two function in the way our two mind function, it is completely different from each other. Each is endowed with separate and distinct attribute and power. So our each mind, both the minds are made up with endowed and separate and distinct attentive power friends, okay? So this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The nomenclature generally used to distinguish the function of your mind is as follows. So here Joseph Murphy is telling that the nomenclature generally that is used to distinguish the two things that is used to distinguish between our two minds are as follows. The objective and subjective mind, the conscious and the subconscious mind. So it is the objective and the subjective mind. It is the conscious and the subconscious mind. The walking and the sleeping mind. So it is the walking and the sleeping mind, the difference between two minds they are talking about. The surface self and the deep self. It is the surface self and it is the deep self mind friends, okay? The voluntary mind and the involuntary mind. So it is the voluntary mind and the involuntary mind. The male and the female. So it is also termed as male mind and even the female mind, and many other terms, and also it represents with many other term friends, okay? You will find the term conscious and subconscious. So we are going to find the term as conscious and subconscious mind. So this the term the Joseph Murphy is using this term friends, okay, used to represent the dual nature of your mind throughout this book. So this is used to differentiate between the dual nature of this mind through this book friends, okay? So this Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic I have covered the concept called the duality of the mind friends, this topic, okay? And friends, in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called the conscious and subconscious mind. So this topic I'm going to cover the conscious and the subconscious mind friends, okay? So friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.